A very good day to all of you students. Today in HTML programming we will learn about new tag, that is image tag. With the help of image tag we place any image in our web page, and more attractive with the help of image tag we have to make our web page. So let's start how to place image tag and different attribute of image tag in this video. So in this program there is HTML head, title, and inside the title there is text, that is image. Head section close, body BG color is equal to salmon, H1 that is greatest heading tag align equal to center, and inside the H1 heading that is image tag. Okay, I am using here 3BR tag for making a space. Now how you have to use image tag? We just specify image tag from img. Okay, and the attribute for placing the image in our web page, that is src, that means source, image source. Image source we have to write here. Okay, so how we have to do this? Let's see. Image src is equal to, in double quotation, how we have to give this address. Here you see this is C drive, in users, then public folder, then picture, and in picture there is a sample pictures folder. Okay, and this is your name of the image, that is penguins.jpg. This is in format of jpg, jpeg or png. Okay, but for making website we have must choose the png image because it's take a less memory. Okay, now second attribute, that is height. Okay, height is equal to 30%. Next is width of the image is equal to 40%, align equal to center. Sorry, I am giving here right align. Okay, and there were only 5 value for align, that is top, bottom, right, left and middle. There is a no value for center. In place of center we have to just write middle. Okay, in image tag. Now next attribute, that is border of the image, that is 5. These are attribute that is giving a image tag. Okay, so now see how we have to place image source. So first we have to open our folder where that image place. Okay, there is a pictures. Okay, left hand side, that is pictures. We click on that and see this is a folder. Student, you have must place all pictures or all image related to your website in a folder. Okay, now open this folder. If you want to place this image on your website, so simply click on it, that is selected. Okay, and you come on here, that is this title section where this show that how we have to reach here. Okay, this line that show how we come here, that open the libraries, picture and sample picture. Okay, now after selecting this image we just click on this bar. Okay, that means it will, you just click on that bar, it just selected. Okay, now copy and paste in your source. Okay, copy and paste in your source. So student, you see user public pictures, sample pictures, this only this line copy here. Okay, now penguins.jpg, how we have to write this? This is the name of your picture. Okay, now again see, this is the name of your picture and penguins. Okay, as in capital letter PENGUINS. For giving any source of the image, you just rename all the image with a salt name, okay, because if there any mismatch in the name of the image, so it will not display on your web page, okay. So for this purpose you must rename your all pictures with salt name, okay. That is easy to source there. Penguins, P capital ENGUINS, and you see the format of Penguins is in JPEG, okay. Now what we will do here, only two things you have to do. You just select this image and go here on the this bar, and this will resource of the this image. You just simply click select on that, okay. After selecting this image, you go there. Now copy and paste on your resource, okay. Now come on the coding page. We just copy here and penguins.jpg. This is the name of, after pasting here this line, you give just one backslash, okay, and name of the figure or image is penguins.jpeg. There you have see that JPEG, but if the image not display on your browser screen, you just change its name JPG, okay, or PNG, because sometime it's not support by browser, okay. So if the image not display in browser, you just change the name and again run the page. Now student, here is 3BR tag for making space, and here is one sentence that let's see here use of alt attribute. There is one another attribute of image tag, that is alt attribute. Student, in most of the website you see whenever our network problem or internet problem, the image will not display, but image of, या हम कह सकते हैं कि name of that image display on the browser screen, okay. Whenever the network or internet problem, image will not display, but there is a sentence related to that figure. From that we know here what is the things on the browser screen, okay. So alt attribute we for this purpose we have to use. जब कभी हम वेबसाइट पे स्विच होते हैं, एंड इन एवरी वेब पेजेस इफ there is a network or internet problem, then we see image not display, but वो image जिस चीज से related है उसका एक text आपको screen पे दिखता है. तो we with the help of alt attribute, what we have to do, simply in image tag you simply write alt is equal to image of penguin, okay. Image related to that type of figure, that is penguin, so I am writing here image of penguins, okay. Now after running this code, page display like this, okay. Heading image tag, this is your image, that is border 5, ठीक है. Align right, height and width, okay. And this student, you have see here also that another image, okay, that not display, okay, but here you see with the help of alt attribute you know that here is image of penguin, okay. So this way it display, okay, image of penguin with the help of alt attribute. So this is all about image tag. I hope you understand proper way.